Hi, I'm Dr. Sonal Naidu from Interdental and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you 5 mistakes which people follow in their daily routine which are so detrimental to their dental and oral health. Let's go ahead and check what are those. And before moving ahead, may I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to Interdental by Dr. Sonal Naidu. I upload a video every Wednesday and I give you such important tips and tricks around oral health that if you follow them to the T, you might not need visit a dentist. You can take care of your oral hygiene very well at your home. So let's get into the video today. Have you seen people tearing away packets from their mouth? They try to tear away chips packet or the packets of cookies, or it could be chocolates, and they try to tear away the packet from their mouth, or they try to open up the bottle of soda or cokes from their mouth. Have you seen that? That is so detrimental to your tooth, because even the hardest substance of the body, which is enamel, if given that stress every day, it might fracture. And if enamel fracture, what will happen? It will lead to sensitivity. It can also lead to tooth fracture, and that area can become more susceptible to dental cavities. And I think none of us need any of those in our lives. The second common mistake is, after opening those packets from your mouth, many of us have this habit of constantly snacking through the day. When you constantly snack through the day, what happens is your mouth doesn't get enough time to cleanse in between. When you take breaks, what happens is the saliva which is produced in the mouth, it flushes off any food particles which is remaining in the mouth. But when you're constantly snacking, that flushing off period of the saliva reduces very much, and there's a lot of food and carbohydrate which is readily available to bacteria to nibble on and create acid and create cavities and decalcify your tooth every now and then. So constant snacking is also a blunder which many of us make. Third thing is, have you seen people while they enjoy having a very good drink? It could be a cold drink, it could be a milkshake, it could be a chocolate shake, or it could be their drink on rocks. Have you seen them chewing on ice? Many people have this habit of chewing on ice, which is so bad for their oral and dental health. What happens when you chew on ice? Ice's temperature is very different from what our oral cavity's temperature is. So there is a lot of temperature change which happens on the tooth immediately, and when you're trying to bite along with that temperature change, there is a high probability that the enamel of that area might develop a little crack. And if it develops a little crack, what will happen? It might create sensitivity. That area is prone to enamel fractures, and then it is again prone to having dental cavities, and I think that we all should avoid it. Next, let's talk about soda. Many of us are so addicted to aerated drinks. Coke, Pepsi, or all these kinds of aerated drinks are usually stacked in our fridges. People, whenever they feel like watching TV or whenever they're relaxed to finish their work, they want to sit and binge watch something along with a glass of their aerated drink along with them. And this becomes a kind of addiction for many of them. And soda is really detrimental to your teeth. What it does is it reduces the pH of the mouth, and it itself is acidic. So what it does is put some soda or acid on your calcium, and see the calcium gets etched. So that tooth area becomes more prone to having cavities. Also, a tip I want to give you right here is, whenever you have had a glass of Coke or something, firstly, rinse your mouth with water. Okay, what it will does is it will try to bring back the pH of the mouth, and what it will also do is flush away any extra Coke remaining in your mouth. And never ever brush your mouth right after having Coke, because your teeth are already a little vulnerable because of the acid attack which it has faced. And when you brush it, you're trying to remove more calcium from the teeth. So do not brush your teeth immediately after having Coke. And lastly, the most detrimental thing which I'm going to talk today is smoking. Yes, it's something which is so common. Everyone knows that it's a detrimental habit. Still, people continue to do it. Smoking not only causes minor stains, bad breath issues, but continuous smoking can also lead to oral cancers in many and affect their lung also. So it's in our health's benefit that we stop smoking, and we try to probably taper it down and slowly stop it. These were the 5 common oral mistakes which people keep doing. I hope you might be doing any 1 or 2 or a combination of these, and I'm sure you must have seen people doing this. I would request you to share this video with them so that they all understand that this is such a detrimental habit for their oral health. Once we start maintaining our oral health, we might not need to visit a dentist, because once you stop taking care of it. You would need an external person to take care of your teeth. But if you can take care of your teeth yourself, what's better than that, right? Please like this video if you like the content. I share a video every Wednesday. And please subscribe to our channel Edentofascia by Dr. Sonal Naidu. And visit our website. It's a beautiful website where I've made some good subscription plans for you all. And it is www.edentofascia.com. And stay tuned and lots of love.